What's up, guys? We're back for another food review. Today we are trying out Made restaurant in Sarasota. We got the fried chicken and the French toast. Interesting combo, you know, usually fried chicken and waffles, but reason I'm trying this is because allegedly they have some of the best fried chicken in Sarasota, so we're gonna put that to the test. As always, if you guys enjoy the food reviews, please remember to hit that subscribe button. You already know, Yohn locks 2-0. Michigan money line, called it. Oregon money line the week before that, called it. Army Navy game coming up. You already know who we're rocking with. It was always the Army money line. Hit it. Yohn locks 3-0. Count it. But first meal of the day, per usual. Checking in at 112. Let's get it, baby. Stoked for this. Chicken, not as big as I would like it. They're tenders. I thought it was going to be like breast and thighs, like thick pieces of chicken. But we're dealing with like smaller 4 strips here. Okay. That hit me in the face right there. I was not expecting that. Yeah, you gotta get that little drizzle, that little drizzle. I'm telling you, that sweet and salty combination is deadly. It's deadly. Let's see what this French toast is doing. For as good as that chicken is, this French toast might even be better. Look at that. Soft, fluffy. Sent from the Heavenly Father himself. Boy, this chicken. I was reading the comments online. I thought they were really hyping this place up. Boy, this chicken is different. Authentic white meat. I'm not about that filler life. Feel me? If you don't got real chicken, you ain't finger licking. And of course, you know your boy had the best Sprite today. Chicken, first of all, perfectly seasoned. It's tender and it's juicy. If there is nothing on this planet that I hate more than dry chicken. Can't do it. Dry chicken, man, throw it in the trash can. I will say this though. I wish this chicken had a little bit more heat. I feel like that would really make this super duper intriguing. It's intriguing right now. It's definitely got my attention. It's on my radar. Hopefully I can put it on your radar too. But if you do a little bit of heat in there, heat and sweet, Let's eat. Feel me? This French toast, thick. Pretty thick. I don't want none of that store-bought, thin loaf of bread French toast. It's gotta fill me up. Realistically, I love this meal. It's great. But you know what's above great? Excellent. You know what make this excellent? Two things. A little bit more powdered sugar. Not gonna lie, I didn't see any powder on there. Second thing, a little bit of heat. Those are the only two things I have to knock about this. Fried chicken. I'm gonna rate the chicken and the French toast separate. Chicken, 8.5. Easy money. Some of the best chicken I think I've had. Truthfully. I think this is actually up there with, I think it's a little bit below Love and Honey, actually. I think it's a little bit below. French toast. I'm gonna go 8.7. A little bit more cinnamon, a little bit powdered sugar. Thing would be a 10. Bang, bang. But, if you guys enjoyed the food review today, make sure you hit the like button. And I hope to see you guys next time. But if not, stay safe. And I appreciate you guys.
Yeah.